Introduction to computers. We see many machines like a television, a CD player, or a tablet every day. All these are electronic machines. A computer is also an electronic machine. It is used to do different kinds of work. We play games, watch movies, send and receive messages, draw pictures, and solve sums with the help of this machine. What a computer does? A computer works very fast and can do large number of calculations in seconds. A computer works continuously. A computer never makes mistakes. A computer can do many things at the same time. Let us see the difference between a computer and a human being. A computer works very fast, does not need rest, never makes mistakes, has no feelings, works on the instructions given by human beings. A human being is slow in doing calculations, needs rest after work, makes mistakes, has emotions and feelings, can think and take decisions. Do you know? The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. How does a computer work? Do you know how a computer works? A computer is a machine that cannot work on its own. It mainly follows 3 steps: input, processing, and output. Let us understand the terms input, processing, and output with the help of an activity. Suppose your mother wants to make bread toasts in a toaster. It involves the following steps. Step 1. She puts slices of bread, input, inside the toaster. Step 2. The toaster bakes, processing the bread for some time. Step 3. You get toasted bread, output as a result. Similarly, the instructions that you give to the computer is called input. The work done by the computer is called processing. The result obtained is called the output. Parts connected to a computer: CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse are the main parts of a computer. Let us learn about some other parts that are connected to a computer. Printer helps you to take your work on the paper. It means similarly, the instructions that you give to the computer is called input. The work done by the computer is called processing. The result obtained is called the output. Parts connected to a computer: CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse are the main parts of a computer. Let us learn about some other parts that are connected to a computer. Printer helps you to take your work on the paper. It means the printer prints on the paper the same work that is shown on the monitor. Speakers and headphones are used to listen recorded songs, voice, speech, and other types of sounds from a computer. Microphone is used to record voice, music, and sounds into the computer. Scanner is used to put your pictures into the computer. UPS, uninterrupted power supply, is used to keep the computer on for few minutes if the electricity goes off. Practical in computer lab. Inserting and removing a pen drive from the computer. Take the help of your teacher. Guidelines. Step 1. Insert the pen drive into the USB port of the CPU box. Step 2. Double-click computer icon on the desktop. A new window appears. Step 3. Double-click the removable disk F icon. A new screen appears displaying the content stored in the pen drive. Step 4. Now click Back button to go back to the previous screen and right-click the removable disk F icon. Step 5. Click the Eject option to remove the pen drive. Types of computers. Computers are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big while others are small. Let us learn about the different types of computers. Desktop computer. It has a keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU that are connected together using wires. It is kept on a desk or a table. It works on electricity. It is big and heavy, so you cannot move it easily from one place to another. Laptop computer. It has a keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU in it. You keep it on your lap while working on it. It works on battery. It is smaller and lighter than a desktop computer, so you can carry it easily from one place to another. Tablet and smartphone. These are touchscreen computers. They work on battery. They are smaller and lighter than a laptop computer, so you can carry them in your pocket or handbag. Do you know desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet and smartphone are also called personal computers, PCs, as they are used by only one person at a time. Roll-top computer has a screen which can be rolled. You can use it as a desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet. Practical in computer lab. Type the given lines on the importance of food using notepad. Take the help of your teacher. More fun in lab. Visit your computer lab. Write the names of all the parts of a computer that you see there in your notebook.